jagung bakar. Oh, too hot.
It's hot, bro.
This is the capital of the East Java. East Java.
Welcome to Semarang, everyone. First stop, we're gonna try this restaurant. Nasi Pindang Kudus and Soto Ayam Gajah Mada. Let's go. Whoa. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
The kerupuk here. So they have their kerupuk here. They also have tempe and I don't know what that is. Perkedel maybe. Oh, more snacks here. And more crackers here. More kerupuk there.
Here's the menu.
Oh, more tempe here. Thank you.
This is keripik tempe.
Keripik tempe.
Crunchy and savory. Yummy.
Okay, this is the soto. Soto what? Soto ayam?
Yung satu daging.
Just soto daging. So I have the rice mixed into the soup. So this is the meat. We also have some noodles here. And Cecilia has the nasi
Pindang.
pindang. This is nasi pindang.
Yeah, to mix it in the rice. And then
Cecilia ordered extra. What is this?
It's like intestine.
Intestine. Ew.
And this is the tripe.
But,
This is the tongue.
ew.
And that's the egg.
Yeah.
And this is also the
Oh, really?
brain, the fried
The brain?
Yeah. Makan ya, makan ya.
Guys, eat.
Makan.
Pertama kali makan ini. Let's go. Oh, roti bakar. We're currently at Simpang 5 right now. Try to find some snack to eat. Let's go. Okay, Cecilia, what do we have here?
Jagung bakar.
No, that's not jagung bakar.
Oh no.
No, that's
pisang ya.
Pisang.
Pisang bakar Cecilia.
Pisang bakar.
So banana,
Pisang
fried
bakar.
banana
Yeah, fried.
with
No, it's actually grill. I think
It's grill.
Grilled
Ah.
banana with choco and cheese.
Ooh, come on. Let me see the first bite.
Give it a try.
Ini beri. Ini tape.
Alright. Makan.
Good. Right, Gabriel has having a fried rice right now. How's the fried rice, Gabriel?
Good. Is there a plate to move all the burrito?
Roti bakar madu. Is it roti bakar madu? Roti bakar with honey. Oh, dipotong-potong ya. Alright, first bite.
Ini white bread and honey toast.
This is the roti bakar with srikaya. Alright. Go. This is better. Street food with my auntie and her husband. That one is the last time we met you guys, 16, 17 years ago. Wih, sayang, jagung bakar. Let's go, eat it. Let me see.
Wait, this is you.
It's already finished.
It's okay. You like it? You want more?
Actually, this year.
We survived! Alright, if you're Semarang, you gotta try this. You wanna sit in the front? Fine. I sit in the back then. You wanna sit in the back? Yeah, go ahead. Alright guys, you ready? Foto? Boleh. Foto di mana?
Next stop is siomay.
Favorite. Whoa. Let's go, James. Get it, James. Okay, here you go. This is the siomay. There's two types of siomay, basah and kering. So this is the basically the wet one and the dry fried one. Let's try the wet one first. Steam siomay. 5-second rule. I like the fried one better. Next we are trying the ngoyang. What's ngoyang? This is ngoyang.
Ini ngoyang, panjang-panjang. Potong-potong aja kuai. Ada komplit.
So we're buying this to go. We can buy the frozen, so you have to fry it at home. So the one over there that I showed you earlier, that's the final product. Put the sauce here. That's the hot sauce. Sweet? Oh, spicy. Alright, the food traveling adventure is not done in Semarang. We are going to try another food here. This is kind of like in Chinatown area. We're going to the temple. Let's see. Let's go, Gabriel. Ooh, that's the temple right here. So the food is actually right besides the temple. I'm gonna take a look at the temple really quick. Alright, let's look around, guys. Place is looks like a home. Most likely the owner of this place also lives here. Have a very nice restroom area here, and there's another big hall here. Probably they're gonna use it for some sort of meeting. It's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
What do you want?
I don't think I want to eat anything. I'm full. Thanks, James. Not sure I'm gonna eat though. So all this area here, food area, right besides the temple. So what is this? That's lumpia.
Yes, this is the
Alright.
fried one. That's just not, the steam one.
Okay, try the fried one a little bit.
That's the sauce like that. Yeah, that's the sauce.
Oh, big bite. Whoa. Oh, too hot.
It's hot, bro.
Look at the sauce. It's like jelly.
Whoa. Mm.
Whose is that?
Very interesting. They have the papayas. They have the mangoes.
That's jelly
Yes, the jelly and itu kelapa ya?
Coconut ya?
Coconut.
and pineapple.
Ooh. And then we have another street food here. This bakmi, I guess. Sorry, Sayan. Go ahead.
And pineapple.
Pineapple.
Put it in your mouth.
You like it?
Good.
Good. Slowly.
It's better, right?
Very good. Okay, so if you're in Semarang, this is a very interesting place. The temple, this is like the biggest temple probably in Semarang. It's called Sam Poo Kong. 35,000. Wow, this is like a palace. This place like a palace here. So this is like a tourist area here. Government make this place to be a tourist place. So even though this is more like for Buddhist people, you see a lot of people here. 3 statues. So I guess this has a history here. These 3 people probably represents the heroes back in the day, like the general. I have no idea, but something like that. General Xiaoping and Xiaoan. Alright, let's continue to explore. Oh, that's the gift area here, gift shop. Alright. No, I'm just here. Tidak sandal. Oh, okay, so it says that you have to take up your sandals. If you're not praying, you cannot go in. Only people who wants to pray can go in.
Kalau ini cewek, itu
Cowok.
kalau cowok itu pegang bumi.
Oh.
Ya, jadi menguasai bumi kalau ini anak.
Oh, ini boleh, yang ini boleh.
Why did you tell me that? It's so cool.
Alright, so you have to take up sandal. Sandal off. Oh man, let's go. Let's get out. I think I'm done. Wow, it's so amazing. This is like the things that you normally see in Chinese kung fu movie and all the drama, like they're fighting, like flying around this area here. Look at the carving of the pillar. Whoa, there's dragon. Each pillar is dragons. Wow, this is amazing. Good. What is all here? They are cleaning up the lantern on the top right now. Have you seen the Chinese kung fu movie? When they fight the temples and they get their staff and stuff like that. That's not a weapons area. This is like the ship here. Ooh, more area here. Alright, gotta take off our shoes again. Before that, there's a turtle here. That's the original anchor. 100 years. Original. The original anchor.
Is it delicate?
Looks like very strong.
Let me touch it.
Probably no. This is like a very similar to the one in Japan, right? Sam Poo Kong. Alright, pretty cool, pretty cool. What's up, lady? How you doing? Alright guys, that's it. Let's wrap up our tour, culinary tour, the food tour. So we're done for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.